when I lay all this out, we're gonna go through it a piece at a time and I'll show you what it looks like. We're gonna hang this first. We're gonna hang it nicely on that post on this side. Then we'll bring this next section up, slide it onto the upper section, and that will hang. It doesn't quite reach the mid-body brace. The mid-body brace is about here. So the mid-body brace is going to sit, I'm gonna put that in, and these pipes will hang over the top of that for now. We'll get those connected, and as I put all of these on, I'm just gonna lightly tighten all of these clamps just to hold everything loosely. Fitment is gonna be something that we're gonna straighten out when we're all done. And then we'll hang the back box. Once the back box is up, really nice and easy with the hangers here on both sides, then we can hang these middle pipes. I know that sounds probably complicated and a lot of information, but we're just gonna piece it up, and I wanted to make sure you saw it all together in one solid piece as we put the separate pieces up. So start at the top, I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so here we are back underneath the car, and because of the number of pieces that this all comes in, we're just gonna put it up a piece at a time, and I'm gonna walk you through every piece. So this top piece you can find, it goes from the 3-inch to 4-inch. You can see it has an expander, and then there's this sleeve with the bracket on it here that just slides up and down. So I just slid it up the pipe, I slid it onto the down pipe, and all of these clamps right now they're not even tight, right? Because I just want to get all these pieces in place